What this? Round thing. Magic. We kick. Oh, we play.
Another banger video is here. So I want to show you how you can access Grok AI for free and other amazing platforms. All right, so you come here to your browser, and what you need to do is just to go ahead and type on this website. So when you put in the right search, right, so when you type it correctly, it will land you directly on the website. Here you can access Seedance 2.0, Grok AI, Google View 3, everything you want is in this platform. All right, don't be surprised. Let's log in first. So I'm going to click here to log in. So as you can see, we have successfully logged in. This is Seedance 2.0 Nano Banana Pro. This where you can actually paste in the prompt. What I see here, Grok, imagine. Trust me, I told you guys, look at the amazing video we are going to be creating from this website. So first of all, we need to get in our prompts. Okay, so when you come here, these are some of the models. So this first option here is how you can generate music and paste in your text here to music using Suno AI. Can paste in your text here to video, image to video using Seedance 2.0. Can paste in your text to image, image to image using Nano Banana Pro. You can paste in your text to video, image to video using Grok Imagine. You can paste in your text to video, image to video using Google View 3.1. You can paste in your text to video, image to video using Sora 2, and all the amazing things that you can actually do on this website. So first of all, I need to go get my prompts. All right, so I've gotten my prompts, so I'm going to come here to Grok. So the purpose of this video is actually how to access Grok, and I'll be using a text to image feature. So I'll just go ahead and click here. Alright guys, let's go back to Grok. I'll just go ahead and click on this text to image. So let's click on learn more. So when you come here, it's going to take you to this interface. As you can see, image to video. I'm going to click here and choose text to video. So when you come here, this is the prompt that they will give you. I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my own prompt. So after pasting your prompt, you come here to choose your aspect ratio. I'm making a YouTube video, so I'll go ahead and click on 16:9 aspect ratio. So after clicking on that, you can see how you want your video to be. Do you want it to be funny, normal, or spicy? I'll go ahead and click on normal. So here is the duration. You can actually generate video up to 30 seconds. Wow, this is more better than the one I uploaded yesterday. That one is just 15 seconds. This is amazing because you can generate video up to 30 seconds. Okay, so I just want to generate a video of 12 seconds because when you come here, my script said a 12-second video, so there is no need of me wasting my credits. So when you click on 12 seconds, you come here to choose your resolution. I'm going to leave it at 480. So after making sure that everything is okay, you click here to start running. So the video we are generating will be displaying here, and trust me, this is very fast. I'm just going to pause this and resume later. Alright guys, so I was experiencing an error when I was trying to create a video using text to video. So I now decided to try this image to video, and this was the image I uploaded. So when you come here, you're going to be seeing a lot of images. You just need to click here to remove all, then you add your own image. Alright, so after adding that, you see where you can actually type in your prompt. After typing your prompt, you need to select the mode you want to use. I choose normal, then you select the aspect ratio, then you can actually create the video up to 30 seconds. You drag it to the length of the video you want, and what you need to do is just to go ahead and click here to run it. So let me try the text to video. So this is how you can actually use Super Grok AI for free. and some of the amazing tools on this website. You can paste in your text to generate an image to image. You can actually extend to maintain character consistency, and also you can actually upscale your video. Alright guys, so I've tried the text to video and also the image to video. Trust me, the both are amazing. So this is the prompt: the primitive human suddenly acquired a football. Let me click to download it. After that, I'm going to play it for you all to see. Let's play this and see. Alright.
What this? Round thing! Magic! We kick! Oh! We play!
Alright, how cool is that? I've actually downloaded. Let's try to create another video.